Hi guys, today I am going to teach you some of the basic calligraphy stroke. What are these stroke? We call this stroke as building blocks of letter. The first stroke which I am doing is thin stroke. We need to apply little pressure compared to thick stroke. The movement of the thin stroke should be from downwards to upwards, and we also call this as upward stroke. Now coming to downward stroke, we also call this as thick stroke. We have to apply little pressure. Practice until you get a proper spacing. As a beginner, you will be having a distance in spacing of lines. By practicing daily for 15 minutes, you will be having a good grip on this. The next is overturn stroke. In the overturn stroke, we need to take our pen movement from downside to upwards, then upwards to downside. So while taking from downwards to upwards, from downwards to upwards it should be thin, and from upwards to downward it should be thick. So what we have learned earlier is thin stroke and thick stroke. The same principle apply over here. From downwards to upwards it should be thin, from upwards to downwards it should be thick. So now coming to underturn, the same way applies. From upward to downward it should be thick, from downwards to upwards it should be thin. Coming to combination, it is a combination of overturn and underturn. Coming to oval turn, it is little curvy, so better practice. So make sure you practice freehand curve first. And next is ascending loop and descending loop. It's a downward stroke and curve. So make sure you practice well. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.